I'm okay.
Hey guys, it's Gordo. Welcome back. First off, I want to let you know at the time in this video, we just hit 200 subscribers. So thank you so much to everyone that has subscribed and that's been liking the videos and the comments that I've been getting. So I really appreciate you coming along on this journey with me. Stick around and I'll see you guys later. Thanks.
you got that all day, mate.
Yeah.
You got plenty of time. Yo. Oh. Oh. Throw it.
It's harder. Gotta go higher. I'm saying it. Hope that way. Snap because it's so hard. I'm telling you. Oh my God. Oh! Move for you. I just gotta.
Yo.
Jumping a resi box backwards is terrifying.
Oh. Oh.
Oh no. I'm okay.
Oh. Yo.
Yeah, I mean, that was hey, from you sprinting.
Yo.
Wrong pull. Good. Help. Come on, Jared. Break that thing. There you go.
Yo. What's the matter going?
Yeah.
Yo. Yo!
There you go. Oh! Steve Flair.
That's terrifying.
Woohoo!
Last time I tried to alley-oop on a
Yo!
I landed half resi.
Yeah!
Yo!
Fucking... Yeah!
Yeah, what?
Yo! Oh!
you're good. Oh, that one felt good. Yeah, baby. I just gotta sit back on it, and I just gotta chill. Sit back and chill on it. Good. A little better that time.
Yo, right there. Yo, right there. Yeah.
Woo! Yep. Oh, let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Woo! Oh my gosh! Heck yeah!
Good.
God, I almost peed my pants. Oh, say hello.
Hello. We love you, Gordo.
Thanks, man.
You're awesome.
This is Aaron's out here. He helped build this. This is his pride and joy. The Temple of Solitude and the Fortress of Broaditude is what we're calling it, or Jared's Dreamland, or the farm. Hey guys, if you made it this far into the video, I just want to thank you so much for watching it all the way through. I really appreciate it. Everyone at the farm really appreciates it. Today was such a banger of a session. Everyone rode awesome, and we were just vibing off of each other. And it was a really good time, and it was awesome to just be around so many good humans just pushing each other. So today was an awesome session. If you could like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you guys so much. Peace.